Okay, this session is to take you through the state of the wiki community in India, which is, as all of you know, we're dealing with about 20 plus languages and another 20 plus in incubation. So the intent of this session is over the next 1 hour, take you rapidly through what we call as the state of the wiki. Essentially, we intend to get some of the community folks to come and talk about that particular wiki and take you through a little bit of the state of the wiki as it is now, a bit of the history and also future plans that they have for that wiki. And this session is going to be anchored by Siju, who's been really passionate about Indic languages. And over to you, Siju, to run the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun. So in this session, each of the Indian wiki communities will come forward and briefly talk about their wiki community for a maximum of 3 or 4 minutes. So I would be, before I request all the volunteers to come who volunteered for this session to come forward. And when I call each language, please come forward and present the session. So before I am calling the volunteers, let me briefly tell you, Arun already told we have languages in more than 20 Indian languages. Let us see which all are that languages. See, we have Wikipedias in almost 20 Indian languages. I just listed the number of speakers also. Then you will know how big that community can be. You have to switch off the light, someone. So this is just listing the languages which has Wikipedias. And if you look at the number of articles in these languages, you can see that Hindi Wikipedia is the biggest Wikipedia with close to 1 lakh articles. And we have, after that, we have Telugu with 48,000 articles and Nepal Bhasha with 69,000 articles. But when you correlate the number of speakers and the number of articles, you can see that that is not matching. So number of speakers of a language is not, at least in the case of India, is not directly matching with the number of active members in the community. You can see that in next slide, which is showing the number of contributors active in each wiki, which shows that Malayalam has a wiki community which active, and it has 85 active members. But if you take the case of Hindi, which is the biggest language of India, it has just 55 languages. This one definitely shows the state of wiki communities of India and the need of growing wiki communities. So now each language community will come forward and tell you what is happening in the respective wiki. So let me first call Swati from Assamese Wikipedia.
I stand before you on behalf of Mr. Prabhakar Sharma Niyog, Professor NIT Silchar, to present the state of Assamese Wikipedia. Assamese was one of the first Indic language Wikipedias to be started in 2002, although it remained inactive in the initial years. In fact, in January 2010, there was none active Assamese Wikipedians, but by the end of 2010, there were 4 active editors in Assamese Wikipedia, and the number kept on increasing in 2011, as can be seen in the graph. It was due to the efforts of notable Assamese Wikipedians like Mr. Niyog, Mr. Barua, etc., that Assamese Wikipedian community started developing gradually. Mr. Niyog, he suggested to use social networking sites as a tool to gather people and to bring them together in contributing to Wikipedia. He created community pages on Facebook and Google, which not only helped in creating awareness, but also in channelizing the talents of students and alumni of various universities of Assam. Also, sincere and successful efforts by Mr. Barua in integrating Narayan in Assamese Wikipedia has helped a lot of budding Wikipedians in contributing Assamese articles very easily. Although this community has been seriously active only in the recent past, the development observed is seriously noteworthy. According to statistics of Wikimedia, the various indicators like number of editors, number of new Wikipedians, etc., has shown an exponential growth. It's fascinating to see that number of edits per month and number of new editors has been in the range of thousands as a percentage increase. As can be seen from the statistics, the number of articles in Assamese Wikipedia has increased by more than double amount in the last 1 year. Although we realize that this community is in the initial stages of development, but there's a lot more to be done in the future. We plan to conduct workshops and Wiki Academy sessions in various universities and colleges of Assam, and also for the public to create awareness. This community has already realized the strength of social networking, and now we plan to reach out to mass media like newspapers and magazines and other various literary communities of Assam and authors. We plan to involve people to contribute both technically and in editorial matters to Wikipedia, to Assamese Wikipedia. I hope and I assert that in the coming years, Assamese Wikipedia will be stronger, better, and stand at par with other successful projects of Wikipedia. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadi. Next, we'll have Jayanta from Bengali Wikipedia.
Good evening, everybody. I am on the behalf of Bengali Wikipedia community. My name is Jayanta. And regarding Bengali language, Wikipedia, it is the sixth most spoken language all over the world. And near about 230 million speakers all over the world. And Bengali language presently is the national language of the Bangladesh and official language of the India, and also just this year in one South Indian nation, Sierra Leone, is the official language of the Bengali. And Bengali Wikipedia is started in 2004 March, and presently in Bengali Wikipedia, there are 22,000 plus articles and 2,500 pages per view per month, and 150 active editors. Future planning and our activities, our community regarding that, we are arranging monthly meetups in Calcutta, and regarding our friend nation Bangladesh, there are obviously their national language is Bengali. They are already some of the city, they are arranged some meetups. Sorry. And we are also, we have already arranged Wiki 10 anniversary in Calcutta with presence of Vishaka Datto and Board of Trustee member, and Women's Wikipedia meetup in Calcutta and Women's Workshop for Kolkata all over the world, first time. And next page. And just October, month of October, there Wikimedia Bangladesh local chapter is created and approved by the foundation 2012 October. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayanta. Now I am calling the biggest wiki community of India, that is the Wikipedians contributing to English Wikipedia. I am calling Ashwin to represent English Wikipedians for you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Yuza Ashlin, and I have been requested to speak on English Wikipedia by Shiju, and I don't hold any post on that wiki project as such. But I just got some statistics and I'd like to go over the state of English Wikipedia with you. The Wiki project was started on 11th July 2006 by Ganesh K, an NRI. And it is one of the largest Indian Wikipedias. Only the Hindi Wikipedia has got more articles than us. We've got 89,874 articles as of a few days ago. But this excludes those which are not tagged with the Wiki project banner. And it is quite possible that that is Wiki project India on English Wikipedia would be #1 in the list of Indian Wikipedias. We have 465 active editors, and our achievements as far as featured content is concerned, we've got 55 featured articles, 20 featured lists, 2 A-class articles, and 163 good articles. Now that makes a total of 240 articles. Now this gives us an average of 1 in 374 articles. That means for every 374 articles in Wiki Project India, we've got 1 featured content. Whereas for complete English Wikipedia, the ratio is 1 in 1:1110. Now it may seem that we are better off than the rest of Wikipedia, but as far as other Wiki projects go, they've got much higher ratios. So it is a sobering thought. We are okay, but not more than okay. User Sven Mangard, he wrote a landmark op-ed in the Signpost last month, which cogently brought out that Wikipedians need to get down to cleaning their own house. Now, far too many articles need work other than adding content. And the same, I'm sorry to report, holds true for Wiki Project India. It came as quite a shock to me. I never expected the statistics to look like something like this. We have, out of the 89,000 articles, 1188 B class, 801 C class, which is a very low figure. We've got 10,931 start and 43,666 stubs. Is that some kind of a figure? And on top of it, unassessed for quality, unassessed for importance, we have got 81,000 unassessed articles. If that's not bad enough, we've got 40,000 pages with 71,415 tags which need cleanup. And thirdly, these large number of stubs and startups, they also represent a huge challenge for us to develop. Now, this is not all. These are the stark challenges which come through us, which come from the statistics. Indian Wikipedians face other challenges, that is the environmental realities. First is diversity of opinion. We've seen some incidents today where people have got different ideas of what content should be there and how it should be tackled in Wikipedia. We face a problem of reliable sources. Many of the sources which are published in India don't quite fit the very strict definition of reliable sources which is, given in English Wikipedia. There are a lot of sources which are available in India, but to us are lost in translation, those of which are in Indian languages. Besides this, a lot of our editors need their skills to be upgraded. And surprisingly, for one of the very large wiki projects, there is a lamentable lack of leadership with very few people coming forward and leading the way on Wiki Project India. As a result, this has led to a lack of coordinated activities. Though if you go on the Wiki Project site and have a look, you'll find there are a lot of neat, nice departments and all, but nothing's happening. Now don't expect me as a user to come and give a rosy picture or to, give an inflated this thing when it's not there. I am telling you the state of things as they are, and they are not at all good. So what do we need to do? Where does one even begin? Such huge challenges. So the way I suggest it is that there are 453 English active Wikipedians on English, that is on Wiki Project India. If each of us does only one cleanup activity per day, then in 1 year, in 365 days, we would have done about 1,69,725 cleanup tasks. Now that 69,725 cleanup tasks means that 2 of those challenges have been wiped out in just 1 year itself. Wikipedia the health would go up quite a lot. And then we would be able to stand here proudly in the next to next Wiki conference and say, yes, we are doing good, we are doing okay. But as of now, we all need to gird down and get down to this challenge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashwin. Next, I'm inviting Mr. User D. Vyas from Gujarati Wikipedia.
Hi, I'm Dhaval, contribute as user D. S. Vyas, and I'm from Gujarati Wikipedia. Wikipedia Gujarati story is not very old, you know, this all standard stuff. We are very close to Devanagari script, so script-wise, it's not too difficult to read for anybody who knows Hindi at least. Some of the letters are even quite similar to Bangla. So there is some correlation between these for anyone because we have got very few, you'll see in next slides, that we have got very few editors, contributors. So I invite Hindi, Bangla at least, to come and contribute on our Gujarati Wikipedia, but in proper Gujarati script. So this is just a brief statistics of what we have. India itself has 6.5 crore Gujarati speakers. And you see that? Oldest wiki page is in Gujarati, when we had just 5 years back. And today, Gujarati literature stands 1100 years. So Gujarati literature started nearly 1100 years back, and our first article started just 5 years back. And after when we had the first article, it took too long for us to reach, like, I think Gujarati Wikipedia started somewhere in July 2007. And by November or December 2008, when I joined, we had hardly 460 or some articles. And then, since then, now, in 3 years, we have got 21,000 plus. And to be really very honest, we don't have many sub-stubs, one-liners or whatever we call it. Yes, we do have many stubs, which you will definitely expect from a small community contributing there. But out of 21,710, I would say probably 1% would be comprising sub-stubs. So that's our strict policy, not to have sub-stubs. If someone has created sub-stub, we would rather prefer to delete it or immediately enhance it and bring it to stubs level, which would at least have few sentences, not just one sentence or two sentences. But yes, to improve stub and get it to a proper page level is a bit difficult task at this moment. With active users, 70 plus, we say these active users could be the one who would have yesterday joined or joined last week. But the ones who does more than 1,000 edits, you can see only 9. And out of these 9, currently, there are only 6 active. So those who have been contributing more than 1,000 articles, somewhere, 3 of them have already stopped doing it. Now, today it stands that only 6 of us does frequent edits. And that has really brought it to this level, 21,700. Out of 66.5, so